Content marketing is one of the biggest ways to increase your online visibility and attract new customers. But creating new content every day can be very exhausting when trying to keep up with complicated marketing strategies. Although constant new content is time-consuming, there are some very interesting software solutions that can help you reduce the stress of balancing copy creation and marketing budgeting. With this in mind, we will present to you a fantastic deal on a platform that can help you generate unique and optimized marketing content for your website, blogs, social media, and more. So, stick around to discover what it is about and get a special price for you and your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Meet WriterGenie, a writing tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you create unique content for your website that is also good for SEO. You can instantly change the look of your marketing copy by choosing the type of content you want to publish, such as blogs, emails, sales letters, ad text, and more. Using its AI-powered, custom-built article generator, you can quickly create high-quality content for blogs and emails. You can choose how you want your audience to feel with this platform. This makes WriterGenie stand out from its competitors in the market in a big way. It also has a built-in check for plagiarism and AI modules that can write different kinds of copy for your products. So, WriterGenie's models are trained on a considerable amount of carefully chosen material and data that GPT-3 models use. The AI will learn about your business and give you better results. WriterGenie keeps improving its content production every day, which helps freelancers, small to medium business owners, and agencies get the best return on investment possible. The more you use it, the better your copy will be. Are you interested in getting this software? You can get a special deal for this platform starting at only $69, just by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.